Welcome, especially our main speaker, KG Kene and his lady wife and his children, my esteemed colleagues, honorable MLAs, all the tribal ho-hos, and all the Chakhesang units to this 75 years celebration of foundation of Chakhesang tribe. I'm very sure our CPO has brought out a souvenir which will be distributed to each and everyone, especially to our tribal ho-hos. I want you to take time and read the contents. 75 years down the line, back then, our leaders, especially led by Goapra Kene, no other than the father of KG Kene, under his leadership and chairmanship, in unison and in consultation with other leaders like Zashe Here, Potsoni Rose, Tuvonu, Nisatze, Wezelo, Wesley, and so on and so forth, around 90 to 20 of them. At that point of time, saw the need to be separated from our Angami brothers and have our own tribe. We are blessed with their vision, and today we strive and we have come thus far, 75 years as a tribe, for which we thank all of them. We thank the pioneers especially, and all the former CPO president, past and present. Today, after 75 years, down the line after this formation, what should be the school of thought of the Chakhesang people especially, and the other tribes, is very important. Number one is unity among the Chakhesangs, strengthening our own brotherhood, and thereby extending our love, unity, and support to all the other tribal units in Nagaland and outside Nagaland as well. Just to provoke your thoughts, yesterday, what we had done might have been a source of energy and strength to us. But today, what was done yesterday might become our weaknesses, or might have become a stumbling block for our unity among the Naga brothers. For example, yesterday, Tenime Union was created. It was a source of energy. It was a source of unity. But today, it might have become a weakness or a stumbling block to the Naga unity. If so, we have to roll back and think again. Yesterday, ENPO was created. It might have been a source of strength and unity for the ENPO people. But today, down the line, it might have become a weakness or a stumbling block for the Naga unity and brotherhood. The recently created Central Chakhesang, Central Nagas, comprising of our Ao brothers, Sumi brothers, and Lotha brothers. You might have created it with very good intention, and it might have become a source of strength and unity among you. But today, down the line, it might have become our weaknesses and a stumbling block for the Naga brotherhood and unity as well. So today, just to provoke the thoughts of the leaders of our Nagas, since all the tribal presidents are here, I want you to go back home and think on this line. And if at all need be, I think we should come out of that small cocoons and rather focus on the main issue, big issue, that is the unity and strengthening the brotherhood of our Nagas. If I have said anything wrong which does not coincides with your school of thought, I may be pardoned and I may be forgiven. At the same time, I want to take 1-2 minutes to address my Chakhesang people here in this crowd. And therefore, for those persons who cannot understand our local dialect, I want you to forgive me, bear with me. Kukre Chakhesang ko. Utitare Küzholüzo. Tiche het nam pumuvo kata hudzehi. Ukraine kono. Chakhesang hi musmos dode tribe musmos doden musde. Hiko muti hi uko sovinirle tomaho. Tomatsmaho. Kratami sabo leadership khole ba hozo she uko tsu MP. Tha pubovo hitli speaker dize be fitting to zo. Pubo novo the bit the conspiracies the be kuhus so ko savo ko cheposo mosba. Abize bozo she ikodo tsu she nano ine ko cheposo sada. Uko angami zolo ba no pa tribe ka sathi ko che leadership gorpa Kenya leadership koleno pubo chairman tino upozaza she potoni roseti 3-member committee tino ba hozo she ikra poza kota keto thichi michibu krata ka vemba thsimpa zuno Phek village likino ki uko potsa ba hozo she kuvesu Nienu jeluno Chakhesang zahi thoshe susu thozuno ukom hakpono kuchotishe msu kuchondalo ta Chakhesang putidaro so minya hitz podosi su nusnu yebono ruspudowe shale ta Chakhesang mabushe mosde ne kumulil khoi me verzme ne Chakhesang zpozo kumulil damo kumul so krita daho Kumna puka kriza but Rusuada ho non krata very cosme stately, statusly, positionly, no krata Chakhesang is the poser Kulila Tado, Unkratam Hakopura of Modaho. No, it ha Muchet Mutsuno, Hichi Chakhesang Kratakovo to the Chepokasa. Okoko hope we Chakhesang is the pocket he lays a day. Rusibono yole generally yole voice today. Oko to drop you know. Nagamina source of strength mose. Touch barrier mose. Nagami unity and Nagami brotherhood strengthen tigodana. Oko kabe Chakhesang mosmo. Chakhesang tahi kuzupudino color heno. Who picotoro. Who kratazur. Who kratadokrizabuti day. How 75 years down the line, Kuzuvesidaho Ukatam Mukromo Teshes Kuzudaho is Nagoche Posaba. Vokatako Kratako very well. Ale Alu Vebo Alakasatondo 25 years Silver Jubilee name there go 50 years name there. He Puno generation Oko Zuko Hikuzamo does it. Mapor Kirkide, Vela Takata, Sovini Tuluno, Ta Chakhesang Dehi, Timur Hesono, Takuto, 75 years Ta, Jubilee celebrities, Unurimo, Kratakohobui, U Cooperation Casino, CPO go, Youth go, Women go, Casino, U Brotherhood, he strengthened this or that, a welcome address, Susposo way, it to him, Moki, Lano, Nagum Dumzawi.